Have you ever thought about why cruises might be the ultimate vacation experience? Well, sit back and relax as we take this journey together and explore this topic. Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Jack, and I am back. So I guess you could say that I am back, Jack. Have you ever thought about why cruises might be the ultimate vacation experience? There's something alluring about setting sail across the open waters, exploring new destinations, and enjoying the luxuries on board. Cruises have become increasingly popular over the years, and it's no wonder why. They offer a unique blend of relaxation, adventure, and freedom that's hard to find with other types of vacations. The rise of cruises can be attributed to their convenience, flexibility, and overall value for money. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or looking for a family-friendly vacation, cruises cater to all kinds of travelers. And with a wide range of cruise lines and itineraries available, you're spoiled for choice. From short weekend getaways to epic around-the-world voyages, cruises have something for everyone. Cruises have evolved significantly over the years, and today, they're more than just a mode of transportation. They're a destination in themselves, offering a plethora of activities, entertainment options, and culinary experiences that rival those on land. And with the advancement of technology, modern cruise ships are equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, making them a far cry from the traditional notion of cramped, outdated vessels. As the industry continues to boom, we're seeing more innovative and themed cruises emerge, catering to specific interests and demographics. From music festivals at sea to wellness cruises, there's a cruise out there for every kind of traveler. The cruise industry has undergone significant changes over the years, driven by consumer demand and technological advancements. What was once a niche market has become a mainstream vacation option, with cruise lines catering to diverse budgets and preferences. Today, you can find everything from luxury, all-inclusive cruises to budget-friendly, no-frills options. Let me ask if you are enjoying this video. Please hit the like button. But more importantly, click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss these tips, tricks and money-saving ideas. Thank you. Now back to our feature presentation. The variety of cruise lines is staggering, with each offering its unique character and charm. From family-friendly Disney cruises to luxury Azamara voyages, there's a cruise line that fits your style and budget. And with the rise of river cruising, you can explore inland waterways and discover hidden gems that traditional ocean cruises can't offer. One of the biggest advantages of cruises is their convenience. Unpack once, and you're set for the duration of your trip. No need to worry about hotel bookings, transportation, or dining reservations. Everything you need is right on board, leaving you free to relax and enjoy your vacation. Imagine waking up in a new port every morning, with a new adventure awaiting you. That's what cruises offer: the thrill of exploration, the excitement of trying new things, and the comfort of returning to your ship at the end of the day. Cruises also offer an incredible variety of activities, from adrenaline-pumping adventures to relaxing spa treatments. You can be as active or as laid back as you want, with options ranging from rock climbing to wine tasting. And with kid-friendly facilities and programs, cruises are an excellent choice for families. When it comes to dining, cruises have come a long way from the traditional buffet. Today, you can find everything from fine dining restaurants to casual eateries, serving up global cuisine that will tantalize your taste buds. And with many cruise lines offering open dining, you can dine whenever and wherever you want. But it's not just the convenience, variety, and culinary experiences that make cruises stand out. It's the unique destinations you get to visit, often inaccessible by traditional means. Imagine sailing to the picturesque harbors of Greece, exploring the majestic fjords of Norway, or island hopping in the Caribbean. Cruise ships often have exclusive agreements with ports, allowing you to experience destinations in a unique and intimate way. You might find yourself on a private beach in the Bahamas or enjoying a scenic train ride through the Alaskan wilderness. And let's not forget the onboard entertainment, lavish production shows, live music venues, and comedy clubs. From sunrise to sunset, there's always something happening on a cruise ship. But what about the environmental impact of cruising? It's a valid concern, and one that cruise lines are taking seriously. Many are investing heavily in sustainable practices, such as emission-reducing technologies and waste management systems. Some argue that cruising can be restrictive, with limited flexibility in your itinerary. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. With multiple dining options, flexible excursion schedules, and a range of onboard activities, you're free to create your perfect vacation. Another common misconception is that cruises are only for older travelers. Not true. Cruises cater to all ages, from toddlers to teenagers, with kids clubs, water parks, and teen lounges. Cruises have become a staple of modern travel, offering a unique blend of relaxation, adventure, and freedom. So, why not give it a try? You might just find that it's the ultimate vacation experience. In conclusion, cruises offer an unparalleled vacation experience that's hard to match. With their convenience, variety, and unique destinations, it's no wonder why they're becoming increasingly popular. So, if you're considering a cruise for your next vacation, I say go for it. You won't be disappointed. Have you been on a cruise before? Share your experiences with us in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more travel-related content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.